Left behind, forgotten by time, a legend waits to breathe again.
Under the dust, perfection still exists.
A name that once ruled the road, hidden beneath neglect.
Every detail tells a story of time, silence, and decay. Once crafted for speed, now lost in stillness.
Every touch awakens what was forgotten.
Care begins in the smallest places.
From chaos to control, one step at a time. The heart of the machine, waiting to beat again.
Precision begins where preparation meets purpose.
The first layer falls, revealing what still survives beneath.
For renewal.
Gentle motion, removing years of neglect.
Even the smallest parts deserve perfection.
The true form begins to return.
Clarity restored, detail by detail.
Perfection lives in the smallest spaces. Every corner cleared, every detail refined.
From soaked to smooth, or the surface awakens.
Piece by piece, the past is carefully undone.
Beneath every layer lies what was left behind.
Control removed to rebuild from within.
Every connection carefully released.
Precision matters, even in silence.
Layer by layer, the structure is revealed.
What was hidden now comes to light.
Every particle removed, restoring purity.
Perfection begins in the smallest details.
From empty to ready for rebirth. Beneath the surface, time leaves its scars.
What was broken is carefully rebuilt.
Even corrosion can be undone.
Every piece has its place.
Dull metal, reborn with precision.
Movement restored, step by step.
Reassembly begins with absolute control. Every bolt tightened with purpose.
Every trace of time removed completely.
Protected, preserved, renewed.
Inside the heart, everything begins again.
Even the heart can be cleaned. Every piece has a purpose.
Layer by layer, purity returns.
From worn to flawless.
Flow restored. Life returns.
The heart returns to its place. Every connection restored with purpose.
From silence, the heart is reborn. From silence, the heart is reborn.
Every detail must be perfected before rebirth begins. A new surface begins to take shape. From raw metal, a foundation is born.
The soul returns in pure black elegance.
Flawless finish emerges naturally. Protected, perfected, sealed in brilliance. A surface reborn, beyond original form. Every motion reveals perfection beneath. From forgotten shell to flawless creation.
What was broken in Sid is now made whole again.
Control returns with precision and care. Every piece returns to its place.
The center comes alive again.
Every system restored to perfection. The heart is fully restored. Grounded again, ready to move.
Not a trace remains, only brilliance.
From ruin to perfection, reborn. A machine once forgotten, now perfected beyond memory. Every detail brought back to life. Form and function in perfect harmony.
Even in silence, it feels alive.
Every component ready for motion.
Inside, perfection is complete.
A world rebuilt, reflected perfectly.
Every fiber restored with precision.
A machine reborn beyond its origin. A creation reborn stands complete. A name restored to perfection. From forgotten metal to eternal legend reborn.